Good afternoon, teacher and friends. My name is José Leonardo Quintín Sabogal. I am 29 years old and I live in Madrid, Cundinamarca. My number, the group is 90002 181. I am studying industrial engineering at UNAD. I live with my wife. She's 28 years old, and my two children, the boys, are 10 years old, and my baby, 1 year old. I like to the music. I like to the parties. I like to the youths. I like to the beer. In work to the pet food factory, dog and cat in Mosquera, Cundinamarca. We had vacation experience in Guatapé, Antioquia. It's a very beautiful place. And the red waker, we rode on board and we taste the typical dish of the region. And there we were able to see a very large stone hills, the Piedra of Peñol. We went up and you can see a wonderful landscape surrounded by several lakes, and the focus of the tourists is the place. With very friendly and happier people always giving the best face of the region, fascinados and the good world good again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.